Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream thick. To achieve perfectly thick cream, begin by ensuring your cream is very cold, ideally straight from the refrigerator. Chilling your mixing bowl and whisk attachments for at least 15 minutes beforehand also significantly helps. This cold environment prevents the fat globules from melting, allowing them to emulsify properly and create a stable, airy texture. When you begin whipping, start on a low speed to incorporate air slowly, then gradually increase to medium-high. This controlled approach helps build structure without over-aerating too quickly. Watch closely for the cream to thicken. Soft peaks will hold their shape briefly, while stiff peaks stand firmly. Remember, over-whipping can turn your cream grainy or even into butter, so stop just as it reaches your desired consistency. To enhance stability and prevent your cream from deflating or weeping, consider adding a stabilizer. For every 1 cup of cream, you can whisk in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch or 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. These ingredients help absorb excess moisture and provide extra structure. Another effective method is to dissolve a small amount of unflavored gelatin, then cool it slightly before gently folding it into your whipped cream. For the best results, always use cream with a high milk fat content, ideally 35% or more, as this is crucial for proper thickening. Be mindful not to add any warm ingredients to your whipped cream, as heat will cause it to deflate quickly. Once thickened, store your cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will typically maintain its beautiful texture for up to 2 days, ready for your next delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.